Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We are located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we have a 2020 Lexus NX 300 luxury package, all-wheel drive in atomic silver. Under the hood, this vehicle has a 2-liter inline-4 turbo with a 4-speed automatic transmission producing 235 horsepower. And stepping into the driver's side, we see the 8-way power driver's seat, and the passenger is also 8-way adjustable. On the driver's door, you have power mirrors, locks, and windows with 3 seat saving settings and an 8-speaker sound system. On the driver's side dash, you have auto headlights, blind spot monitoring system, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, and a locking rear differential, along with your hood latch located beneath. You also have an electronic steering column and settings for display brightness and a trip odometer. The driver's steering wheel has audio controls with Bluetooth hands-free, a scroll menu for your display, as well as lane departure and radar cruise control with paddle shifters on the rear of the steering wheel for sport mode. And the center dash is home to your 10.3-inch display, which features navigation and your reverse camera view, as well as destination, audio and phone settings, apps, phone projection, display information and setup, as well as your dual climate controls. Below you have your signature Lexus clock and more climate control settings, your heated and ventilated seats, as well as radio and media functions. A drive mode selector allowing you to choose from eco, normal, or sport mode. You also have traction control and an electronic parking brake. The center display is navigated by your Lexus trackpad, and your instrument cluster displays speed, a compass, radio information, lane departure and cruise control, vehicle messages and other settings, as well as your clock and meter. Your interior lights are touch to swipe activated. Overhead, you have an electronic sunroof. And as we step into the rear seat, we notice that the passenger door has its own power window controls. You also have all-weather floor mats, and you have storage compartments located in the rear of the front seats, and the interior is shown in black leather. The rear bench seat has child seat anchor points located within, and on the side of the rear seat is a manual pull handle folding 60/40 to provide additional cargo space. And as we open up your power liftgate, inside we see a privacy screen as well as your Lexus manuals, an extra set of floor mats and other Lexus accessories, multiple cargo tie-down points, and above you have a power liftgate button with a lock control that allows you to close the liftgate hands-free. So drop on by the dealership today, where we will set you up with a Lexus professional and find a vehicle best suited for you. It's time to experience amazing with Lexus of Edmonton.